Hello world, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be replacing the external window weather strips. It's part of my 20th birthday upgrade for my Hilux. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers! It was from DMS Engineering. I have a dash cam. It was free. I bought more than two things. Two things I bought. I bought some headlights, which is right and left, $309. The N70 window seal weather strips for an extra cab, space cab or single cab. They fit the same cars, and $179 for the two of them. And I also bought a smart car charger GPS tracker. It's got a GPS unit in it, and it is a charger as well. Came to $555.50, and that's the birthday present for my 20-year-old car. Just gonna open it up. These are the two weather strips. There is a right and a left. Yeah, you can see the condition of these weather strips. They're rusting, peeling, elbow gets caught on it time to time, and they're in a bad way. The rest of this door window seal is alright, except that. So what I'm going to do is put one on each side, and show you the result. Try and prise it up here. Come on. I'm just going to stick the screwdriver in there for a moment and get another screwdriver. Yeah. Gonna be hard to photograph it with me. See, it's on tight. But it's original. Okay, and that's it. Now the extra cab, the single cab, are the same door seal and space cab, I suppose. Yeah, look, that's why I couldn't do it any earlier, because I didn't realise that. But yeah, I'm going to clean this window up now and then put the new one on. Just going to clean it up. It knocked a bit of paint off. Oh, so hard to get off. Yeah, I'll go get the new one. Yeah, there is a left and right, as I said. Now, that's the edge that goes against the window. That's the edge that goes up to the mirror. And that's the edge that goes over there. And it comes with a new clip, which is good. I can see those clips breaking. They're pretty hard to unclip and they're full of dirt. So yeah, that is the one for the driver's side. So yeah, I'm going to put it on now and see. Well, the clip stays there by looking at it. You're not supposed to remove the clip. Oh well. First time I've ever done these, so... I'm going to slide that up into there. Now you have to make sure you slide it into there, underneath that. And it goes down. It goes down. And it goes down. Easy getting in and out. So, and then I'm going to try the window. So I'm just going to put you over there. Yeah, and you've got to try the window to make sure it works. So Well, that's it. That's the new seal on there. Yeah. Nice new seal right along. I'm going to do the other side now. First time I've ever done this, and I've told it was easy, so it is easy, but these have been on for 20 years and they're a bit rusted in and stuck. They start by putting the window down. This one's not as bad, but it's starting to go. You see it's rusty there. Just going to give it a clean up. This is only soapy water. A very light solution. Okay, that's all cleaned up. Grab the new one. Yeah, got to fit that in there. Got to fit it in under there first. And I'm going to try it. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Yeah, and that's it. That's the finished. As I said, you've got to get in there first. The second one was a lot easier, now that I know what I'm doing. That clip comes with the new one. Just goes on. And yeah, nice and new weather seal on there. Yeah, a couple of things I've done recently is that this lock between here and here broke. I couldn't get out. Had to climb through the passenger door to get out. It was playing up about 18 months, I suppose. It wouldn't lock, release the lock. It'd lock every time but wouldn't release it. So eventually I went to the wrecker and I bought this part that goes between here and there. So it came as an assembly with two cables and all that. I also bought a better one than this. Mine had a big split in the middle of it like that. So I bought another one of those, and I bought this inner door card. It's only because this strip up here, the internal strip, is good compared to the one I had. And I put that on. Now that cost me $177 second hand for those three parts. It's fairly easy to do this assembly. It's just a couple of cables. You've got to reach up and unclip it. But yeah, so I've put another one of those on, and the window winder electric panel here, and the inner door card. It's a bit old, but it's an old car, but it's in better condition than the one I had. Yeah. Yep, they're nice and new now. I'm really happy with this result I get out of that. Okay, well, I hope you like this video about me installing these external door window weather seals. My first time doing it, I was told it was easy, and the second one was easy compared to the first, and they've been in there for 20 years. The results speak for themselves. They look good now, and it's all this is part of my 20-year-old birthday upgrade for it. Turns 20 in March. That's when it was made, March 2006. Yeah. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.